I'm grateful every day, through the highs and the lows, for the love that lifts me up, for the kindness that grows. Every little moment, every breath I take, I see the beauty in the simple things. I'm grateful every day. I'm grateful for my loved ones, the warmth of their touch, for strength in the hard times that taught me so much. Every tear that fell, every hope that grew, led me to this moment